In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a verification code from the Google Authenticator app. Two-factor authentication is one of the best ways to protect your online accounts, and Google Authenticator is a popular tool for that, but it can be a bit confusing if you're not used to it, especially when a website asks for a code and you're not sure where to find it. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through opening the app, locating the right account, and using the correct code safely and confidently. First, grab the phone or device where you installed Google Authenticator. This is usually your main smartphone. Find the Google Authenticator icon on your home screen or in your app list and tap to open it. If you have a lot of apps, you might need to use your device's search feature and type Authenticator to bring it up quickly. When the app opens, you'll see a list of accounts that you've added in the past. Each account usually shows the service name, like your email provider or another website, and sometimes your username or email address underneath. Next to each account, you'll see a 6-digit number. This is your verification code, also known as a one-time code. These codes refresh automatically every 30 seconds or so. You'll notice a small circular timer or progress bar next to the code. When that timer is almost empty, the code is about to change. If you're about to type it into a website or app and you see the timer nearly run out, it's a good idea to wait for the next code to appear so you have the full 30 seconds to use it. Now, look at the website or app that's asking for a verification code. Make sure you're selecting the matching account in Google Authenticator. For example, if your email service is asking for a code, find that same email account in the app. Tap on the code to highlight it if needed. Then either memorize it or use your phone's copy function if your device supports that. Switch back to the website or app and type the 6-digit code exactly as you see it, without spaces. Once you enter the code, confirm or submit it. If the code has just expired, you might see an error. In that case, simply return to Google Authenticator, wait for the next code to appear for that account, and try again with the fresh code. And that's all there is to it. Open Google Authenticator, choose the correct account, use the current 6-digit code before it expires, and you're securely signed in.